Hey everybody, hey, it's Lee Godbold with Junk Removal Authority. We are a digital marketing agency for the junk removal industry as well as a consulting firm. And today, just really quick, a couple weeks ago we touched on Junk Doctors. That's the junk removal company that I owned, and some of the website and SEO work that we've been doing for Junk Doctors. Today we've got a case study. You're going to be going over Valley Junk Removal. They've been with us several years now. Tyler Baker was the owner of, or is the owner of Valley Junk Removal, based out of Huntsville, Alabama. He's a former police officer, started this job while he was still on the police force and has done great with it. He's moved into some real estate ventures now. He flips homes. He's got some homes. He's doing some long-term rentals. We're getting ready to start long-term rentals on. Uses junk removal to actually find a lot of those properties. He's also a real estate agent, so he's got some amazing stuff going on. So when we do work for him on junk removal, not only are we getting him profits from junk removal, but he's also using that as lead gen to get real estate listings and to get fix and flips from his junk removal clients. So it works out well. There's times he comes in and he actually buys the home they hired from junk removal. He showed up and said, hey, instead of paying us $2,000 to clear this house out, or $5,000 or $400 or whatever to clear the house out, I can see this is a house that's going to need some work. Maybe they just inherited the property. Somebody passed away they knew. Maybe they're moving out of town. They don't want to deal with it. Whatever. He kind of has a way of figuring out this is a candidate for a fix and flip. And what he does is he goes and he says, hey, instead of us paying us for junk removal, why don't I just pay you this and I'll buy the house? And, he's doing quite a few deals every single year with that. So he's an awesome guy, and so happy to have been able to work with him over the past, several years. And let's talk a little bit about his search engine optimization. So this is one of our older themes here at Junk Removal Authority. He hasn't upgraded to the brand new theme yet. Honestly, with the success he's having and the way things rank and that sort of deal, not really pushing him too hard to do that quite yet. He does well. So Huntsville, Alabama is a market of about 600,000 people. So it's not ultra competitive like we went over Charlotte and Raleigh. Those are really like super competitive markets. And obviously, Minneapolis is competitive. Los Angeles is competitive. New York's competitive. Orlando's competitive. You got a lot of super, super competitive markets. Huntsville, for its size, there's still quite a few people doing it. So it's not like it's a great market just to rush out and open in or anything. But it's a solid market, and you're going up against a handful of people that know what they're doing, which is good. So it's not a massive market, but it's still a competitive market because there's work to be had there, for sure. So the very first thing that we're looking at from an SEO perspective, and what I think is kind of neat, is obviously it's probably what you're looking at, which is, hey, where does this page rank? So we'll pop into our trusty iSearch From tool over here. And we'll simulate a search out of Huntsville. And we're just going to do the keyword. This is the main keyword, junk removal. So we're going to search right now. So we pop into here. And this is actually the beginning. This is something, a Google ad preview going on that's not even for this particular area. So this is where it actually is going to start. The actual results start right here. So he's competitive on ads. He ranks number 1 on ads. Look at all the real estate he's taken up. Pops in here. We've got him up to number 1 on the map pack. About 3 months ago, he was number 4. Number 3, number 4. So he's now up to number 1. This is once he started the silver. He's doing our silver SEO package. Comes in here, he's number 1 overall here. And this is one of the times where we've actually got his homepage ranked number 1 and his location page ranked number 4. So he's all over the map, which is really, really cool. Now, how did we do that? One of the very first things is just very solid on-page optimization. So we've got titles, we've got the keyword in the title. The description meets the normal specifications for a description and mentions the keyword. The H1 tag is good. So all of the core stuff that everybody should be doing right, we've obviously done right on here. And it's a site that converts well, and people will spend some time kind of going through some of this information. We hit the testimonials. People spend some time looking through those testimonials, and time on page is an important ranking factor, ranking signal. We list different items that we remove, so they'll take some time to go through that. So there's several things that we hit on that people spend time on this page. It's got good content. It's got keyword-rich content. We mentioned the right keywords, a good amount, but not an excessive amount. This is tied into his Google Map listing. That helps out on your map rankings. So this map right here, if you clicked here, it's tied in with Google Maps. So and we've got links down to his different locations and all throughout the header and the footer. If you go on the mobile version of this, we have a sticky footer at the bottom. The mobile is even cleaner than the desktop version. So we do a lot of really, really, really good stuff on the home page. That's the first key. So the homepage stuff is the first key, and the fuel to it, the fuel to the fire, is the off-page link building. So if you go into the backlink profile on this, every single month we're building a handful of links, generally 20 plus in his particular case, for generally niche specific, or at least like home service specific, home improvement specific type industry, so it's content relevant. And the authority scores of the links we build are 20 plus. Some of them are 50 plus, which is very, very, very good. So giving it that boost of the links coming in, that really, really raises up the rankings. And on the map side of things, just optimizing the maps listing, just putting the keywords and all where throughout in the description, talking about junk removal, light demolition. We mentioned the different cities that they're in, just kind of entity and keyword specific stuff in the description is very, very huge. We've got different services that are listed in here that we add that are kind of keyword specific. If you go in and you look at the categories, we've got categories and different, or products, we've got different products in here that help out tremendously. We do regular updates. So if you look right here, multiple times a week, we're posting updates. That is a big, Google likes when you pay attention to them. If you pay attention to Google Maps will pay attention to you. So that's all the types of stuff that we do. We try and just keep active on this profile, and it has rewarded us. We started doing a lot of that stuff about that's been about 5 months ago. It was about May. About 5 months ago, and we went from about a fourth in the ranking number 4 to a ranking number 1 in the map pack, which is huge. So much business to be had on the map pack. All of this is available. So this particular service is available through our exclusive SEO package. And what is the Silver and Gold SEO? So Silver and Gold is SEO. We only do one per market. And I'm going to pull up the map right now of our markets. We've got quite a few markets still open. So again, we are going to only work with one individual. So these three right here rank about anywhere from number 5 to number 2 on the map pack, these three markets in North Carolina. And they rank anywhere from number 4 in Raleigh to number 1 in Greensboro to number 3 in Charlotte for the main keyword junk removal simulated search from Charlotte, North Carolina. And the only people that are beating us in Charlotte and Raleigh are Junk King and Got Junk, and there's one other competitor in here that's got us, but we're about to get them here in Raleigh. And then in Charlotte, it's just Junk King and Got Junk. We are number 1 in Greensboro. Again, it's great on-page SEO, keeping people on the page, and link building. So we've got some other guys we've just recently started with on SEO and a few of these other markets. Again, this was a newer product that we were doing. This guy's been with us a while. He ranks number 2 overall for junk removal in Minneapolis. If you search that keyword, he stays busy. He got a newer one, new to Denver, just about a month in. Over in Spokane, this guy, he's I believe number 1, number 2 overall for the keyword junk removal in Spokane. this guy, it says Seattle. He actually doesn't service Seattle. He's doing extremely well up in the tops of the search results. So we're exclusively going to be offering these markets first to our current JRA clients that we've got. So they've got exclusive rights of kind of first refusal on taking these markets. This is a new product that we rolled out. We began testing for it April, May or so of this year. We tested it on Huntsville, Alabama, Minneapolis, and the 3 Junk Doctors locations. So these other ones are ones that we've onboarded in about the last month or so. So as we get results on that, we'll start posting it. What's great is since it's exclusive, we can tell you guys about it. So that's exciting for us and all like that, because we only work with one person per metro market with this silver and gold SEO. Ads clients get priority. Current SEO clients on the old bronze package get priority. So if you're interested in any of these markets, contact us. Again, we're giving all of our current JRA customers and clients exclusive first right of refusal on these markets. So if you contact us, we're going to make sure that a current JRA client doesn't want to take it. If they don't want to take it, then we're going to just qualify and make sure, hey, that we're going to be a good fit. Ideally, you've been open for 6 months to a year. You've got a budget. You've got some income coming in. You can afford to spend some money on some premium SEO services that we can feed you these great links. You're going to get a current, the current JRA templated theme site. We use the word theme because it's based on a proven theme that works, but we definitely customize it where you can tell this is your own site, your own colors, your own pictures. We do some custom features on there. We really kind of customize it to you to an extent, but within the framework that really works. So, hey, check us out at junkrA.com. Give us a call, 919-617-1975. Anybody interested in silver and gold SEO, Shane's going to talk to you first. Make sure you seem to be a good fit, both for us as well as us for you. If you are, you get on a call with me. And we're going to go in, myself and Dallas, we're going to sit there and say, all right, this is what we're seeing from your competitors. This is what your competitors are doing. This is where you're at now. This is what we want to do for you. And if you decide to move forward with us, we're going to get you on the website. We're going to get you with Manu, who is a master web designer, has come out with some amazing work. He and our web development team are going to build you a great website within about 2 months. It's about 8 weeks right now. I'd like to get it shorter, but that's what it is for us to do a really good job. Once that site launches, you can hopefully move forward with Google Ads. Even prior to that, you can do ads on a landing page if you'd like. If not, if you want straight up SEO, no ads, we'll do that also with the silver and gold package, and you're exclusive to your market. Love to work with you. Again, 919-617-1975, junkrA.com. Let's get you ranked well, ranked up, not having to pay per click for leads once you rank. And, I am personally involved in all of our SEO cases. I'm watching it like a hawk. I'm wanting to really see all of us, all of the JRA clients that use our silver and gold SEO. My goal is to have you in the top 3 depending on your market. That's what we got to talk about. We got to say, hey, your market, if you're in Philly or if you're in a super competitive market, it could either one, take longer, or 2, possibly both. We got to do more. But at least we'll get you up on the first page. We'll get you a good basis. And then we'll figure out what do we need to do to beat GotJunk, to beat Junk King, or to beat a local company in your market. And that's what we're going to go after. Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you like. We will be talking to everybody here real soon.